in my mouth, fam, when he was fitting me for what you're like.
Oh yeah. Do you want to do the intro this time?
What's up, guys? Today we'll be making cake in a box.
We're gonna try making pretzels.
We're eating it?
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, we were just making.
No. Okay.
Bro, something smelled like burning plastic.
This Easy Bake is also, it's multiple years old.
Okay, so today we're gonna be making pretzels. Isn't that for the dolls?
No, this is actual food. That was the whole point of Easy Bake Oven, is you can make your own food.
You've eaten from an Easy Bake Oven.
Yes, that's the whole point.
I never got no Easy Bake Oven. I got a real oven.
Oh my gosh, they're so fancy. Oh, that's French.
I'm dead. Did you want me to read the French side for you? Préparé. My third attempt at a proper intro. We're making pretzels in an Easy Bake Oven, and we're gonna see how it goes.
I'm so good at cooking experience. I've burnt spaghetti. And that's all I have to say about that. Okay.
This is a sand.
Salt. Are you okay? Okay, anyways, so artificially flavored. Okay.
These are so suspect, fam. It then came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white packets saying artificial flavoring, telling me we're gonna get pretzels out of this.
Mine's a little bit older, so I don't think this is the right stuff for it, but we're gonna try to just make it work. Pour 1 egg wash mix. What? We need extra stuff?
We have this.
No, but we need water.
So you're telling me that you want to make pretzels with sand? Just sand.
Yeah.
Isn't this where like you cut to the next clip like this?
So I'm not gonna cut just because I don't want it to look sweet.
Don't do me dirt.
Do we like, okay, chill.
So I put this in here?
Yes. Yes, do that. Start doing that. And then I'm gonna get the 4 teaspoons. Use your hands to, okay, pour pretzel mix. Why didn't you pour it?
You said put it in.
Like you actually think you're funny.
You know the channel loves me.
Okay, that's gotta stop.
This is for kids. We're struggling.
I'm thinking this looks good. Are you done with your egg wash?
Yes.
Okay, that looks so bad. Anyways.
It's not my fault.
Okay, the next instruction. Use your hands to shape the dough into a ball. Oh, it's really sticky. Come on.
What did the instructions say?
Get flour. Can you get the flour?
We're making 2 set pretzels to see which one looks better.
With the 1 package?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. How about that? And we're supposed to make it into like a
Ball.
knot. Well, ball, and then we're supposed to make it into a knot.
I don't need no instructions on how to make that.
Okay. You know what? Okay. Yeah. Or don't look. I will take the instructions then.
Okay. This is sticky.
This is how you cook. I'm reading the instructions and trying to follow. Hey, don't look. That's my pretzel.
Yikes.
There, look at that. Gorgeous. Let me go up here and show. This is what quality content looks like.
Bet. Is there like a temperature? All that's for show? Easy Bake is a scam.
Honest. Okay, so it's cooking, but I don't think it's ready, if I'm being completely honest. But I have to go to soccer in 0.2 seconds, so we're just gonna pretend like it's ready. Actually, kind of smells like it's baking.
Not that burnt. Oh no. Easy Bake is going to get sued.
Oh!
Bro, that's not edible.
This is not okay. Children don't know any better. They think this looks great. Take it that we're about to eat that.
I think I don't know the meaning of the word weak because I know for a fact Ron Jules is not
No,
yamming that.
Yeah, it's like bubbly. That is not cooked.
Oh my goodness.
That is not cooked.
I actually had
That is not cooked.
that is looking ashy.
So this is the front.
Go like
This
this.
is the back.
Go like this and put it on the plate. Listen to it.
I was gonna take. No, bigger than that.
Hey, when I say on 3, mans are eating it. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. We didn't put salt.
Yeah, that's it. Nems is crunchy.
I have an idea. Oh my god. Dip it in. Just put salt on it and then hope. Tucker, you don't want this.
Trust me. We're taking one for a team.
Cheers.
Here, do that again.
Ah, it took more. Danny. 1.
1, 2, 3. Oh, never that.
Try it.
Yeah.
It's nasty.
Yeah.
Okay, sit down so we can do this outro. What was better, the one with the cheese or the one without?
Without. Definitely. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.
Hey, whoa. Who's editing this?
Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And
Your channel. What's your channel name?
Big boys.
Oh, wow, we're good. Thanks for watching this week's video. Like and subscribe. Go. Do you want me to put your Instagram in the bio?
I actually rather not get cyberbullied.
I put in.
That wasn't at all.
We'll see you in next week's video.
She'll see you. I'm gonna go on vacation.
And I'm gonna try to get him to come back. Bye. What is that? Okay. My easy bake oven and all it's. Yeah, that's the point. That's how that works.
But this is plastic.
You just push it in. See, look, it says, do not leave an oven. Anyways, so
Flour.
we're filming a video right now, Dad.
Okay.
If you want to say hi, you can.
Hi.
I'm gonna put Kavon's Instagram down in the bio below. Tennessee! Yay! We did it, Kavon.
Another video.